Can I make one big tea?
Bab, bab, babis ko loco.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farisal Yaki from class 10 MIPA 6, number absent 6. I will share my personal experience that I will never forget in the form of recount teks. Strike fishing lots of fish. Last week I was going to the river. It was the next time for fishing because I had no work to do. I went fishing to be precise on Saturday 20 February 2021 with my father in the river near my house. I went earlier at the morning when I went to marketplace to buy some crickets and caterpillars I used for fishing bait. After that, I went to the river to start fishing. And the river looks flooded because it rained heavily all night, and I looked for the best point to fish. I went to the place under the big tree because in here there are lots of fish. I throw my hook as far as I can, then I wait for the fish eating my bait. 10 minutes left and I finally there was a fish at my bait, and I got one fish big enough, and I tried fishing again after 30 minutes left, and finally there was a fish at my bait. It was the first big enough fish that I got. I got 7 big fish. The fish are 3 catfish and 4 nila tilapia, and I got 10 small fish. There are 10 big fish. I was so happy. I would cook that fish at home, and then I would wait about 30 minutes for the fish to cook. I cook fish assisted by my mother to cook fish into delicious food to eat. After that, I ate the fish with my family, and the fish tastes so delicious, like food in the restaurant. After all, that was my great experience I had ever have because I have to get a lot of fish, and the fish were big. That was my story fishing the best. I always remember about my holiday at the river. That was so very interesting because I got many the fish, some big fish. That was so very interesting family holiday we had done together. That's all from the story of my experience that I have never forgotten. I hope you all get an important lesson from my story, and I hope it is useful for all of you. Happy next day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.